Family Wall or Cozi? Which family organizer app is better? We will be comparing the two top family organizer apps, Family Wall and Cozi. Both help manage schedules, tasks, and more. But which one is best for your family? Let's find out. So, Family Wall is an all-in-one family hub with shared calendars, to-do lists, photo albums, and private messaging. It's great for larger families thanks to group organization features. Its pros is messaging, media sharing, and group spaces. Cons is that it is a limited free edition and slightly cluttered UI. How about for the Cozy? Cozy focuses on simplicity. It includes color-coded family calendars, to-do and shopping lists, and meal planning. It's super easy to use and syncs across devices. Pros is that it has a clean interface, great calendar, and device sync. Cons is that they have less customization and some features are paid. My only advice is that you should go choose Cozy if you want something clean and easy, and go with Family Wall if you need more features and group tools, perfect for bigger families. And that is all on which is best for Family Organizer app. Thank you.